Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn some questions of theory of computation and they are also useful for GATE exam. Let's start them. This is our question number 17. It says the C language is a context-free language, a context-free sensitive language, a regular language, parsable fully only by a Turing machine. Let's analyze. The C language is not a simple language. To categorize in terms of formal language, let's break down the options. A context-free language. C code can largely described by a context-free grammar, as it has constructs like if-else elements, loops, function, definitions, etc. However, C also has features like preprocessor directives, hashtag define, hashtag include that aren't context free. So it is not a context free language. Okay. Second, we have a context sensitive language. Some aspect of C, particularly related to type checking, scoping, and name resolution, require context sensitive analysis. So while C isn't fully a context sensitive, it does have some context sensitive aspects. Next, we have option C, a regular language. C is certainly not a regular language. It's too complex for regular expression or finite automata to handle, especially due to features like nested constructs and recursive function calls. D. Parsable fully only by a Turing machine. Well, it's true that a Turing machine can parse any computable language, saying C can only be parsed by a Turing machine is a bit extreme. Modern compilers use sophisticated parsing techniques such as LLK and LRK, or even more advanced methods like recursive descent or pride parsing. So the correct option is B, a context-free sensitive language. All modern programming languages are CSL because CSL is a context-free language. Context-free language because they contain two features which cannot be handled by PDA. The features are variable declared before use and matching formal and actual parameter of functions. Next question we have question number 18. The following figure is a finite machine, accepts all those binary string in which number of ones and zeros are respectively. So this is a finite state machine. It accepts all the binary string, that is 1 and 0. Okay, fine. Divisible by 3 and 2, odd and even and odd, and divisible by 2 and 3. So the correct answer is option A, divisible by 3 and 2. Because option B is eliminated because string 100 contains odd number of hundreds and even number of zeros but not accepted by the DFA. Option C is eliminated because string 011 contains even number of ones and odd number of zeros but not accepted by the DFA. Option D is eliminated because string 11000 has number of ones divisible by 2 and number of zeros divisible by 3 but is still not accepted by the DFA. Option A, accept all strings, number of ones divisible by 3 and number of zeros divisible by 2. That's why option A is correct, divisible by 3 and 2. This is our question number 19. It says the language is in a set is a regular, context free but regular, context sensitive but not context free, type 0 but not context sensitive. So we have to give answer that the language is what? Is it regular? Is it context free but not regular, or something else? Let's analyze them. The correct answer is option B, context free but not regular. We have explanation as we construct a PDF for the given language, that is push Z0 in the stack. Initially we have empty stack. Right now we have pushed Z0, then we have push X in the stacks for each occurrence of A, push Y in the stack for each occurrence of B, and pop X and Y from the stack for each occurrence of C. We have at last popped what? X and Y. If after popping all X and Y from the stack, no input elements is left in the string and we get Z0 on the top of stack, then the string is accepted. Thus option B is correct.